Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm super excited to share something special with you. We're diving into the world of natural, nutrient-packed juice recipes that'll transform your wellness game. Before we jump in, if you're new here, welcome to our community where we believe in the power of food as medicine, especially drawing inspiration from the incredible Mediterranean diet. Hit that subscribe button and follow along with us on this journey of food as medicine and making meals that heal. There's something magical about those sun-kissed ingredients and time-tested combinations that have kept people healthy for generations. I've got 10 amazing juice recipes that'll not only taste incredible, but will flood your body with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These aren't your ordinary store-bought juices. We're talking about pure natural goodness that'll energize you from the inside out. And here's the best part. Stick around until the end, because I'm throwing in a bonus recipe for a tropical breeze that will transport you straight to a Mediterranean paradise.
Trust me, it's a game changer.
Each recipe is carefully crafted to maximize nutritional benefits, while keeping things simple and delicious. We're combining the best of Mediterranean ingredients. Think fresh citrus, aromatic herbs, and vitamin-rich vegetables.
So, are you ready to revolutionize your daily nutrition? Let's get
Juicing! And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our journey of healing through natural, wholesome food. Hey there, juice enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up the perfect juicing station in your kitchen. Trust me, with the right setup, making fresh juice becomes a breeze. Let's start with creating our workspace. First things first, we want everything to be squeaky clean. Give your counter a good sanitizing wipe down and grab a cutting board that's exclusively for fruits and veggies. This is super important. We don't want any cross-contamination from proteins that might have been on there before. Now let's gather our tools. You'll need a sharp knife, and I mean sharp because struggling with a dull knife is no fun. Grab a vegetable peeler and the star of the show, your compact blender and juice extractor. Pro tip, take a few minutes to actually read the machine's manual. I know, nobody likes reading manuals, but trust me, it'll save you headaches later. Here's something that'll make your life easier. Set up 2 containers, one to catch the juice as it comes out, and another for mixing everything together. We're making batches here, not individual portions, which is way more efficient. Let me share one of my favorite recipes, the iron-boosting fruit punch. It's absolutely delicious and super nutritious. You'll need 2 whole beetroots, 6 oranges, and here's a little secret. Zest them before peeling. 6 ounces of fresh strawberries with the stems removed, and 1/4 of a watermelon, no rind. When you're prepping everything, cut your fruits and veggies into pieces that'll easily fit into your juicer's feed chute. Nobody wants to deal with pieces getting stuck. As you juice each ingredient, pour the extracted juice into your container, and don't forget to label it Iron Boost Punch. Oh, and here's a bonus tip that'll blow your mind. Don't throw away the pulp. You can actually use it to make an amazing gelato. How cool is that? 0 waste and double the treats. See? Setting up a juicing station isn't complicated at all. With this organized approach, you'll be whipping up fresh, healthy juices like a pro in no time. Now, who's ready to start juicing? Today, I'm excited to share our family's approach to making delicious, healthy juice blends in batches. We've perfected these recipes over time, and I'm thrilled to share them with you. Let's start with our number 2 all-natural pearade. This refreshing blend needs just 3 simple ingredients: 1 lemon, a 2-inch piece of peeled ginger, and 2 pounds of fresh green pears with the cores and seeds removed. It's crisp, zingy, and perfect for those hot summer days. Next up is our number 3 green go time. This is our energy booster. You'll need a whole cucumber, a cup of celery, a cup of pineapple, an inch of peeled ginger, 1 peeled lime, and 2 Granny Smith apples without the cores and seeds. This green goodness is packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. One of our favorites is number 4, the pink mango punch. Grab a peeled lime, 3 mangoes, just slice the flesh away from the seed core, 6 red apples without cores and seeds, and 1/4 of a watermelon. The color is gorgeous and the taste is absolutely tropical. For something super refreshing, try number 5, our hydrating fruit punch. Combine 6 gala apples, cores and seeds removed, 6 ounces of fresh strawberries, washed and stemmed, 8 ounces of coconut water, and 1/4 of a watermelon. This one's perfect after a workout. And don't forget our number 6 immunity boosting juice, especially great during cold season. You'll need 3 peeled kiwis, a pound of peeled oranges, and 1 pineapple with the skin, top, and core removed. This vitamin C powerhouse will help keep those sniffles away. Here's a pro tip from our household. We usually make 3 or 4 of these recipes at once. Since it's just my partner and me at home, this batch method works perfectly. We do all the prep and clean up once, and we've got fresh juice for a couple of days. Each batch goes into its own labeled container in the fridge, minimizing waste and keeping everything fresh and organized. This approach saves so much time and ensures we always have a variety of healthy juices ready to go. Trust me, once you start batch making your juices, you'll never go back to making them one at a time. Listen, foodies, I've got an amazing kitchen hack that'll make you wonder why you haven't been doing this all along. You know those citrus fruits we're always using? Lemons, limes, and oranges? Well, stop right there before you toss those peels away. Here's a little secret from Mediterranean cooking that'll transform your meals. Before you juice your citrus, take a moment to zest them. That fragrant, colorful outer layer is packed with incredible flavor that's just too good to waste. But here's the real game changer. Spread that fresh zest on a parchment-lined baking sheet and simply let it hang out in your oven overnight. No heat needed. Just 12 to 14 hours of patience and you'll have perfectly dried citrus zest ready to rock your world. Store it in an airtight container and boom, you've got an instant flavor booster for all your fish and chicken dishes. It's like having a little bit of Mediterranean sunshine in your spice cabinet, ready to brighten up any meal. Think about it. We use citrus in so many drinks and recipes, so why let all that amazing zest go to waste? It's time to level up your cooking game and make the most of every ingredient. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Let's wrap up our smoothie adventure with some incredible recipes and then get that kitchen sparkling clean. Let's dive into our final Fab 5 recipes. First up is the purple fruit punch. It's like a purple paradise in a glass. You'll need a cup each of dark purple grapes and fresh blueberries, 6 Granny Smith apples with the cores removed, and half a pineapple, prepped and ready to go. The color alone will make you fall in love. Next, we've got the Hydro Punch, perfect for those hot summer days. Grab a peeled lime, 3 fresh cucumbers, and half a pineapple. This one's super refreshing and will keep you hydrated all day long. The glowing green juice is next on our list, and trust me, it lives up to its name. You'll need a peeled lemon, 2 skinless kiwis, 3 cucumbers, 6 Granny Smith apples, and half a honeydew melon. This juice literally radiates health. Coming in hot is our Citrus Punch, a real vitamin C powerhouse. 6 peeled oranges, 3 cucumbers, half a pineapple, 6 ounces of strawberries, and a peeled lemon. It's like sunshine in a glass. And now, drum roll please, my absolute favorite, the bonus recipe Tropical Breeze. This one's a game changer, folks. 1 peeled lemon, 6 peeled oranges, 8 ounces of coconut water, 2 mangoes sliced from the seed core, 3 skinless kiwis, and half a pineapple. It's like a vacation in every sip. Here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to experiment. You're the master of your kitchen. Try throwing in some spinach or mint leaves for an extra kick. Carrots add natural sweetness, and pomegranate, always a winner. These juices are your fast track to getting those powerful nutrients your body craves. Now let's tackle that kitchen cleanup. I know, not the fun part, but it's got to be done. Label those beautiful juices you've made. Trust me, you'll want to remember which is which. Then grab your favorite book, head out to the patio, and treat yourself to a well-deserved sip of your fresh creation. That's all for now, my juice-loving friends. Until next time, keep blending, keep creating, and most importantly, keep enjoying these vibrant, healthy concoctions. Cheers.